Flying fitness zen. Because of the absurdity and cruelty of our society, people live in fear and anxiety, which causes them to feel tightness in their chest and tension in their shoulders and neck. If we add to this strength training exercise for the abs, shoulders and pectorals that cause the torso to lean forward, it is essential to perform gentle exercise that open up the chest and shoulders. Fitness and flying sculpt the upper body to balance the spine and neck, thereby promoting full respiratory and mental well-being. Prevention of the thoracic kyphosis. Kneel down, keep your spine straight, rest your abdomen on your knee, look forward the floor as a bird crossing the ocean would, observing the waves breaking below while flapping its wings with a wide range of motion. Breathe smoothly.